Hello, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting our channels. And today we just get brand new spinner and they all look pretty cool. Like we got from Amazon and that they are quite, these one quite expensive, called black stainless.
Yeah.
And it's very shiny. And they have this one, they're quite tiny. They are not the traditional spinner. They look smaller. So let's see if they can take down our three champions this time.
Chillax, Sunnytech, and
And
Tyzest.
let's give them a head start.
Yeah. Also, head starts are bad because they'll slow down quicker.
So let's take a look. Like this one, both of them are, one is made by Sunnytech and this one is made by PWNAGE Energies, and they are stainless steel. You can see they give you that, the when they carve the metal, when you spin, they give you that nice ring around it. And this one even come with a adjustment tool.
Yeah.
And if you take them out and even give you a little quality control papers. Oops. All right, so this guy just died
Wow.
at 1 minute. So this is very tiny. I mean, we saw a couple of spinners. This one is very light. It's aluminum alloy. And
Yeah.
let's take a look at the inside. Maybe look like it's just standard stainless bearing.
Yeah, and I don't mind it being like, I don't mind it slowing down first because this is like extremely light. Maybe only a few grams, like just a little, like not even a lot.
And let's test it if it makes sounds when you spin. Let's put it back.
Yeah.
So while they spin, so take a look. This one that make very stable, but it just don't, probably just the way it's just very light. There's no counterweight around it.
Yeah. It only has one bearing in the middle, like all the other ones. The only one that actually has more than one bearing here is Chillax.
So we are passing 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and they are still going.
Yeah.
So this one, I think it's a like traditional one. It's a plastic ABS with 6 balls around it. You can take some ball out to make it a 6 or 4 configuration, but it's a plastic spinners. And this one is made by WeFidget.
Yeah,
And
we've used a lot of
WeFidget
before.
make pretty good spinners. There's that baby one, the tiny one, that can spin pretty, like 5 minutes.
Yeah, this one.
So,
WeFidget.
so look like it's a pretty reputable brand. So we are passing at 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
And it looks like this one is slowing down.
So this one really give you very good
Design.
visuals when you spin.
Gives you a really cool design too. Dog in the background.
So this is traditional spinners. They say can easily our back can spin for 5 minutes, and this is also made by WeFidget. So they will at least guarantee some quality on the spinner.
Seems like at 4 minutes and 20 seconds, the shiny one stopped. My Sunnytech gives you a real cool visual. You spin it.
And if you turn around,
see what's inside.
And all these three is about to stop.
Yeah. It's like if you look inside, it's like a lot of baby bearings. So tiny. Baby bearings.
The standard steel ball bearing. But give you very good, give you good weight. It's aluminum. Not aluminum, this is standard black stainless.
Drop one of the caps. Oh,
Right.
so looks like 2 laps. These two stopped, so it stopped first. It's really unstable on your hands, like it shakes a lot. Let's see what's inside of this one too. Looks like really small.
This one is makes some noise, but is acceptable.
Well, like just like last time, they have these really tiny bearings.
And this, let's take a look. This is a WeFidget. It's not easy to open.
I think you twist it.
Twist it. No, I can. So let's take a look at this one. This one also is a stainless. And this is one piece construction, and it's a steel ball. And this one's quiet too.
Yeah. Seems like we take another lap because Chillax stopped.
And this is, let's take a look. This is, look like it's a one piece. Very nice red coppers.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot to stop Chillax, sorry. And there's another lap for Tyzest. Stops like 24 seconds after Chillax. And just like the Tyzest, all of them can't be like, so you can't see the secret inside the bearing.
So this is just another steel ball bearing. Yeah, this by spinner is not stable when you shift.
Shakes a lot.
But it gives a very cool design.
Yeah. Seems like we have a clear winner. Sankang.
So look like Sankang wins today. And at almost 8 minutes. And let's see.
8 minutes, 20 seconds probably. 20, 21.
Alright, this gives you 8 minutes and almost 8 minutes and 30 seconds.
Is it gonna get to 30? Yeah.
Okay. So that's it. Sankang wins again.
Yep.
And this, they're very similar.
Yeah, both of them are like red copper and stuff. See, very shiny if you like. See if you.
Alright, thank you for watching, and if you like, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will keep reviewing the new spinner when we got it. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.